So piggy bank pin block, how to actually unblock it. So all you just need to do, just log into your piggy bank app. Then the next thing you're gonna do, just click on account. Then it's gonna take you straight to this page right here. Then scroll down, then you're gonna see security. Just click on that. Then you see this page like this. You can see change pin. You can see right there, just click on change pin. Then you can see 6-digit pin, so just click on that option. And if you already have a pin before, you still have this option where you can actually change your pin. So I've already created a pin before, and there's still option for me to change the pin. So just scroll or follow this route and you'll be able to create your 4-digit pin again. That is how you can unblock your pin and then maybe create a new pin again. And you can also enable the pin check so that they will be able to do some verification on your pin to verify that that pin is actually working correctly.